How to fix cookie run kingdom error code 10026. Now, first of all, check your internet connection. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is working well. Now, restart the game. So close cookie run kingdom completely and open it again. Now, after that, clear the game cache. So for Android user, go to settings, then apps, then cookie run kingdom. Now, as you can see, then storage, then clear cache. Now update the game. So go to your app store and make sure that Cookie Run Kingdom is the latest version. Now after that, restart your device. So turn your phone off and then back on. Now try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So sometimes changing the connection helps. Now after that, you can reinstall the game if the error continues. So install Cookie Run Kingdom, then download and install it again. Now you can check the official social media or website. Sometimes there are server problems or update causing the error. Finally, contact Cookie Run Kingdom support if you still see the error code 10026. And this is how to fix Cookie Run Kingdom error code 10026. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.